What's in our bashi today?
What's in our bashi today? Greetings, beautiful people.
Peace, beautiful beings.
Kings and queens royalty.
Yeah.
D and J here today. So we just basically driving by and we saw this lovely location.
And we decided to have lunch.
You know, we just had to have lunch here.
Right here.
You know, and we decided we're gonna make this video because we have a lovely sunset about to happen. We have this lovely scenery, the Bougainvillea.
All by ourselves.
Right? So we just had to do this. So I'm looking at this bowl here. I know you guys can see this. I'm really excited to just jump into this bowl here.
So what's in our bashi today?
What's in our bashi today? What's in our...
So those bowls were made by us.
Right.
It's called boli.
Calabash.
And when it's done and dry, the name turns to calabash. I guess I'll just assume this. So this is our calabash bowl that we did ourselves.
Right.
Utilizing everything nature provides. So here we have some of our salad for lunch today. We usually cook when we go out and always walk with our food. You know what's in it when it's done by yourself.
So what's in the bashi? So we're gonna tell you what's in the bashi. So just you take it away.
All right. So here we have some lettuce, and all of these were grown by us in the backyard. So we have some lettuce, arugula. For the saute that we did, we have some cucumbers, tomatoes, beetroot, cabbages, and different seasonings, and pepper, seasoning peppers. What else? An eggplant.
Eggplant, yes.
We got from a farmer. We didn't. Ours are not ready as yet.
Aubergine.
And then Dennis will show you.
So that's what's in the bashi. But here's what. To combine what's in the bashi with this here, we have some turmeric couscous and a little bit of raisins in there, just to add that sweet flavor to everything. So go ahead.
We have some plantains inside
I knew
here.
it was gonna I knew it was gonna see that.
We have some red plantains inside there. I forgot. What else? I think that's about it.
So what's about to happen now is that this gonna go in this and make one complete how are we gonna see this? A couscous salad.
Couscous salad.
Alright. So go ahead. So we're about to combine those now.
Okay. About to mix up. So you guys are having a virtual lunch with us. So we're just gonna
and bear in mind it's now about after 2. So lunchtime.
After 2?
Lunchtime has already passed.
After 2 now?
Yeah. So
I think it's later than that.
no, it's after 4.
Yes. The sun is setting.
Everybody going home from lunch. So you see that?
From work.
Lunchtime actually way past.
But we had a late breakfast.
So
we had a late breakfast.
This is what we are creating here. A
That
lovely,
looks
colorful,
red,
the
green,
mirage
yellow,
of colors.
well.
Just imagine what this is gonna be like in my belly. Yes. Yeah. Check out this.
Let me continue to mix mine.
Look at that.
And we have some seasoning in there, a little bit of Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt.
I'm mixing up this on the my bone, trying to get me the my bone know what's about to happen. Yeah. So you mix it till everything is well combined, and you know.
Looks good. Which bowl was mine? Which bowl is mine again? This one? Okay.
Wow.
I think I'll put all in there. Should I?
I don't think so.
Sure. Maybe not.
I honestly think
It tastes good?
this is like one of the best. The only thing, the plantain and the raisins actually coming in real good as the sweetness.
I like that sweet and salty
The
kind of
couscous
vibes.
has a lovely crunch with everything, and the beet is just
Ooh,
lightly.
my bone. Look at my bone eating your food.
See?
Leave it, leave it.
Yeah, and the beet has
Well,
a lovely.
I hope he wasn't laying on mess.
See that?
I hope he wasn't laying on mess before. Just take a
See the
spoon
my
and
bone
put
in
it
there?
out for itself.
Even the my bone know what's happening.
Yeah, so
Vegan
this
lifestyle.
plant-based lifestyle.
Yes, so as I was saying, the beet pepper boy.
I put that out.
The beet has a lovely crunch also, and everything is just well combined. To be very honest. So
Tasting good.
we're about to take in this meal and chat with you guys. All right.
Yes, so
It's all. Everything came together pretty lovely, and we
yeah,
are about to.
this will probably be, or I think it is, our last meal for the day. When we
Definitely.
return home, we're just gonna have a cup of hot herb tea. Not sure which one as yet. We have so much to choose from that we got right behind the house. So yeah, so it's really not hard to eat plant-based, guys. It's really not hard. You just have to be committed, disciplined, and willing. All you need first is a willing mind, and you can make this happen and so much more. You don't have to spend tons of money. You don't have to look for alternatives to meat and eggs and dairy. If you're making, well, we do alternatives as well, but I think one of the things new vegans try to stretch their hands, beautiful bird just came by, is trying to get alternatives to the meat or all the dairy stuff that they used to have before. And I think that's a mistake that we make. When I look at community groups, vegan groups, I think that's one of the mistakes we make. We try to get the alternatives to eggs and cheese and dairy and all these things. When we made that decision, we were basically like into whole foods and not looking for that alternative, like not thinking like, oh, we don't have eggs anymore, what replacement we could have for eggs. Because if you're looking to make that decision based on your plant-based journey, then probably you would fail halfway there. I'm not sure.
Yep.
But when you're always looking for that alternative, then that could happen. And you see, like, having to make the decision to turn to plant-based whole foods or vegan, making a decision based on knowledge will do you well than probably falling into a trend, because to be honest, it's not a trend.
Well said.
It's a way of lifestyle, and it's a lifestyle that is not easy, but it
it's
can
easy.
be. You know,
Definitely.
it's not easy in the beginning, because you know is what you grew up knowing is now what you have to
You have to break free
forsake, you know,
from
My
those
bone.
traditional things that your family may have grown you up on. You have to break free from those. Because to be honest, how much money did we spend to create a meal like this?
Well, the couscous we bought from the food store,
And basically
and the
raisins.
yeah.
Everything else is, homegrown, local, organic,
And everyone,
fresh.
sorry, like everyone, somebody healing you up.
Yeah, brother, respect. All right.
Everyone can grow something at any location. Even though you're living in an apartment, you could use your veranda piece, which we saw somebody did an amazing job. I can't remember her name on YouTube, but she lives in
Germany.
somewhere, I think, and
Germany,
yeah,
I think.
you know, and she did it well. Like, she used a small piece of her
Porch.
you know, and she turned it into her vegetable garden, and she did that so easily.
And
you know?
honestly, like being in the Caribbean and having access to land, the amount of crops that lady grew from just that small location it amazed both of us. Honestly, like you could have never guessed in your wildest dream that you could grow so much crops in that little space on a porch. And she just like really took it away and showed you like, you could do this and you could do much more.
So as I said in the beginning, it's all about having a willing mind, you know, and it can turn your garden, your backyard, your porch. If you're willing to do gardening, you could turn it into an amazing little way that you can feed yourself and your family.
True.
You know, so
And trust me, a little goes a long way. Like even this, like eating this now, I just started, and to be honest, it's like I reach a place of satisfaction because the food not my bone love the food. The food not just satisfying visually,
come.
but it's nourishing, so it's nutrient dense, right? And all the food here in my bone, everything here is basically fresh. The arugula is very spicy. The lettuce is fresh. All the seasoning is fresh. Everything just fresh, and it's just belly filling. To be very honest,
So satisfying. Yeah, so that's about it.
it's just a blessing to be alive.
It's a
DNG,
blessing to share our goodness with
Tropical
you guys.
Veganz,
So we're
bring it
gonna
in close. Yeah.
we can't be eating all this goodness and y'all just sitting there. So we're just going to end it right here and finish full joy our salad for today.
And taking the sunset.
And we're gonna
Yeah.
check back with you guys soon.
So peace and love.
Alright.
Signing out, DNG.
Tropical
Tropical Veganz.
Veganz.